Understanding JavaScript variables.
Variables let you store and use information in your JavaScript programs. The key ways to create variables today are with the keywords var, let, and const. Each works a little differently, and choosing the right one can help make your code more reliable and easier to understand.
The classic var.
The var keyword is the original way to declare variables in JavaScript. It is function scoped, which means the variable exists within the function where it's defined. One thing to watch out for: var allows variables to be reused or changed accidentally, which can lead to unexpected results. Today, it's usually better to use let or const.
Introducing let, modern and flexible.
Let was added to JavaScript to improve how variables are handled. It is block scoped, so the variable only exists inside the curly braces where it was declared. This makes code easier to read and prevents many mistakes. Use let for variables you expect to change, like counters in a loop.
Const, for values that don't change.
The previous user also creates block-scoped variables, but you must assign a value right away, and you can't reassign it later. Use constants when you want to make sure a variable's value doesn't change, like for configurations or references to important data. This makes your intentions clear and helps catch errors early.
Which one should you use?
In most modern JavaScript code, prefer const for values that never change and let for variables that might. Avoid var unless you're working with older code. Choosing the right declaration helps you write safer, cleaner, and more predictable programs, making your code easier to manage and understand.